The Gut Reset. Heal your microbiome, restore your energy, and transform your health from the inside out. Cody Haggar. Chapter 1. The Gut Health Revolution. For decades, we've been told that good health starts with eating right, exercising, and getting enough sleep. While these are all essential, there's one factor that has been largely overlooked: our gut health. Recent scientific discoveries have revealed that the gut is more than just a digestive system. It's a powerhouse of immunity, brain function, metabolism, and overall well-being. The bacteria and microorganisms that live inside our gut, collectively known as the microbiome, influence everything from our energy levels to our ability to fight disease. If your gut is out of balance, it can trigger a domino effect of health issues: bloating, fatigue, brain fog, skin problems, anxiety, and even autoimmune conditions. The gut is often called the second brain, and for good reason. It houses over 100 trillion microbes, produces more than 90% of your body's serotonin, and directly communicates with your brain through the gut-brain axis. This means your mood, mental clarity, and even cravings are all influenced by the state of your microbiome. Ever felt sluggish or irritable after a meal? That's not just random. It's your gut reacting to what you've eaten. The more we understand the gut, the clearer it becomes that healing and optimizing it is one of the most powerful things we can do for our health. But here's the problem. Modern life is destroying our gut health. The standard American diet, SAD, loaded with processed foods, sugar, artificial additives, and inflammatory seed oils, is starving our good bacteria while feeding harmful microbes. Chronic stress, antibiotics, environmental toxins, and even poor sleep all contribute to gut dysbiosis, an imbalance of gut bacteria that can set the stage for long-term health problems. The rise of conditions like IBS, food intolerances, autoimmune diseases, and even depression can all be linked back to a gut that is struggling to function properly. The good news? Your gut is resilient and it can heal. Just like you can rebuild your strength after an injury, you can restore your gut health with the right approach. That's what this book is about. A science-backed, step-by-step guide to resetting your gut, healing your digestion, boosting your energy, and reclaiming your health. In the coming chapters, we'll dive deep into how the gut works, what's damaging it, and most importantly, how you can take control of your microbiome to transform your life. Whether you're looking to eliminate bloating, improve focus, boost immunity, or just feel better every day, the Gut Reset Protocol will give you the tools you need to get there. It's time to take your health back, starting with your gut. Let's begin.